Hi, this is Smita Deo and today I am here at the Curried studio and I'm going to show you a very simple, unique, aromatic, flavorful chicken dish which is the Dum Murgh. Here I have 1 cup of fresh grated coconut which we are going to roast till it's nice and brown in color. The coconut has turned slightly brown. I'm going to add some soaked nuts in this. So I have soaked about 10 almonds and about 10 cashew nuts, and I have peeled the almonds as well. I'm going to add this to the coconut and we are going to roast this for another 3 to 4 minutes. The coconut has browned really well and the nuts have also got roasted. Let's shut the flame, cool this and grind to a nice fine paste. The roasted coconut and nuts are cooled down. Let's grind this to a fine paste. Let's add a little water to this. The coconut and nut paste is ready. So here I have about 750 grams of chicken. I'm going to add this paste to the chicken. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Deggi Mirch powder. If you don't have this, you can use your regular chili powder as well, and you can add it according to the spiciness that you want in the curry. Here I have 3 tablespoons of saffron infused milk. Let's add this to the chicken. 1 cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of Garam masala powder, 3 to 4 green chillies finely chopped, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder. I have 200 grams of fried onions here which I'm going to add. Just slightly crush them and add them to the chicken. Juice of half a lemon and salt to taste. Now let's mix all these ingredients together really well. Now let's cover this and marinate it at least for 2 hours. If you marinate it overnight, it's excellent, but even 2 hours is enough. It's been over 2 hours that we had let the chicken to marinate. Now we need to cook this in its own juices. For that, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee melts, I'm going to simply add this marinated chicken into the ghee and I'm going to cover it and cook it on a low flame till the chicken is done. Just let's sear the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander. Just mix this well, reduce the flame to a low and I'm going to cover this and cook till the chicken is done. So we kept the chicken to cook for almost 20 minutes and it's ready. You can see that the meat is off the bone here, and that's how we realize that the chicken is done. And you can see the beautiful layer of oil and how creamy and rich this dish is looking. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. Let's garnish this with a little bit of fresh coriander. And our Dum Murgh is ready to be served. You can serve it with paratha, chapatis or any bread of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.